Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can basically reconnect your Soundcore Anker K20i earbuds after you have disconnected them for whatever reason. So first things first, you have to basically go to your Bluetooth settings on your Android device or your iOS if you're using the iPhone, and you have to locate your device. In this case, it's Soundcore K20i. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click this. Now, if we want to disconnect it, we're going to go ahead and select unpair. All right. On the iPhone, you will also have a similar option. I think iPhone gives both options, unpair and forget device both. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and unpair them. That's it. You have successfully unpaired them, as you can not see them here anymore. Rather, you would see them in the available devices. And now let's say that you want to reconnect them. So you're going to go to the available devices and you're going to basically uh, click here to connect it, and it will connect. In case you don't see it here, you might need to basically take these, put them back inside the case, and then take them out again just to trigger them into pairing mode in case any issue comes up, But in most cases, you should just automatically see it here instantly, okay? So we're going to go ahead and touch that. There we go. It says pair with Soundcore K20i. Allow access to your contacts and call history. That's up to you. If you want to select that, you can, but it's not necessary. I'm going to go ahead and not select it and just pair directly, okay? Give it a bunch of seconds. It didn't go through for some reason. Let's try again. There we go. It happened on the second try, and now they're successfully connected again. So really easy and simple. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.